What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I just pulled into a tool rental place here, which is pretty local to us, and I have our aluminum trailer behind me. I am picking up 2 brush hog attachments for our toolcats. I'm grabbing these right now. It is 3 o'clock on a Saturday, but if you rent them late on a Saturday afternoon, you get all the way until Monday to return on Monday morning, and they only charge you for 1 day. So that's why we're doing this now, to save a little bit of money on this rental. But I'm grabbing these 2 attachments, and then I am meeting my father at a new job site, which is probably, I don't know, 20 minutes from here. And we have to cut down the entire lot. The excavators are going next week, and there is actually a meeting with all the donors. This is a non-for-profit, and they get a lot of donations, and they're having a meeting with all the donors on Tuesday. So we want to get the lot cut down nice so they can actually see it and it's not all overgrown. But I need to run in and grab the ticket, and then they'll probably have me pull around back, get these loaded, and then I will go meet my father. All right, guys, I just pulled up to the property here. This is the lot that we got to cut, and these are the 2 brush hogs. So if you don't know what they are, they're basically just big lawnmowers, pretty much, that'll cut through just about anything here. So I'm getting them unstrapped, waiting for my father to get here. He's got our new truck with the new flatbed. He's got that with both of our toolcats loaded up on it, and once he gets here, we'll get these unloaded and get to work.
Let's go.
All right, guys, we are almost done cutting all this down. It looks like a completely different piece of property now. You can actually walk through it. But this is a beautiful lot here. It is going to be very nice once this building is done. 7,000 square foot building. And look at this view you have here. I don't know if you guys heard it before, if it's going to make it in the video, but my dad was saying while we were riding around in the beginning that the building is on an angle here. You can see all the stakes, so you have the view of the mountain range out here, and it is going to be very nice when it is done. I believe they are starting excavating next week, so that's why we came here. There's also a meeting with all of the donors to check out the piece of property, and obviously we didn't want them to show up here and not be able to walk through it, so that's why we came today, to cut all this down. My dad is just finishing up that whole section over there, and he's got to go around this little tree section here. Unfortunately, my machine is done. We blew a hydraulic line. It seems like it's right in the fitting. I was over there and I made a turn, and all of a sudden we were shooting fluid out right here somewhere. I haven't even taken the hose off yet, but it's definitely not the hose, so hopefully it's just something stupid like an O-ring or a gasket or whatever. But you can see all the oil on everything here. So this one is done. He's gonna finish it up. Luckily we made it pretty much through this property before it happened. Oh, you took the hoses off?
Yep.
Where was it leaking?
That's yours.
Oh yeah. Where was it leaking?
No.
All right, guys, we got 2 toolcats loaded back up on that truck. We got the brush hogs on here, and we are getting out of here. I just need to strap these down, but this piece of property looks so much better cut down like this. And now when they come here next week with the donors, they can all walk it and show them the stakes. I mean, you could see the stakes before, but you weren't really walking back here. But now everybody can walk the property, get a good idea of what it's going to look like, and see what they're getting into here. And then once the guys who are doing the excavation come, they have nothing to worry about now. Everything is nice and easy for them to see. One thing they're going to have an issue with is this pile here. All these tall bushes are on basically a big pile of rock, so they're going to have to get rid of that. But I think that is pretty much it for this one. Oh, by the way, if you guys saw the video where we were framing all the walls in our shop on that table, this is the job that those are for. So that is why we did it. So when we come here, they're already built, and you just got to stand them up basically and put them in place. But I'm gonna get these strapped down and call it a day. If you guys have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys next time. Peace.